Hey guys, it's Brit. So you've heard Bosch is where it's at, but you haven't taken the leap because you're familiar with something else? Well, now is your chance to convert to Bosch. From now to the end of June, we're offering you 10% credit on any alarm system you upgrade to Bosch. That's right, 10% just for taking the leap. Simply take a photo of the alarm system you are removing before you remove it. Then take a photo of the installed Bosch product you've purchased from us. And finally, return the old product and the photos to the store of purchase and we'll credit you 10% on the Bosch replacement you've just installed. It's that simple. But there is one thing you need to know. This offer is exclusive and only applies to account holders with us. So if you don't have an account with us, now's your chance to create one. And if that's not enough, every customer that takes advantage of this offer goes into the draw to win a free Bosch 3000 kit. So what are you waiting for? Trade in and win.